the selector switch operation. Try to do the following ladder diagram as you can see. Uses push button to start the intended system operation. Due to this reason, the coil tag of M0.0 gets energized and self-hold. The normally closed statuses of the selector switch, the one which is connected to the warning light, becomes turned on. If we change the selector switch statuses to the one whose normally open set of contact is connected to the alarm siren, will be activated and we will hear its sound. Thank you very much for your attentions, and please don't forget to subscribe PRD-SS channel. If you get this video helpful and absolutely fascinates and encourages us to do more and allows you to be notified on the weekly basis, and at last we are welcome for any kinds of comments and suggestions that you can put or remark as you need in the provided spaces below.